शिक्षा का दीप जलाए, सहयोग का हाथ बढ़ाए had been the theme words of our highly respected late founder chairman Sri B.D. Tikmani ji. Born to humble parents, Sri Govind Ramji Tikmani and Srimati Ginni Devi Tikmani, Sri Vasudev Tikmani ji had not only grown up from a Siksharthi or a learner to a Sikshavid, that is, an educationist, but also had, through his multifarious activities in the field of philanthropy, social service, and education, made his favorite theme of Siksha ka deep jalaye, Sahyog ka haath badhaye, a truth. Like his father, Late Basudevji Tikmani has been and will always be occupying a place of honor in the civic society of Kolkata and its suburbs. He'll be remembered with awe and respect for his philanthropic nature and services rendered in spreading quality education among the children, especially the girls of the industrial locality of Howrah, where education of the international standard through the medium of English was but a far-off dream. This he turned to reality through the establishment of his dream come true projects of Agrashen Balika Siksha Sadan and Agrashen Boys School, both located in Lilua, Howrah. As is aptly said, morning shows the day. During his student life itself, Sri Tikmani was very much involved in the upliftment of the Lilua Belur locality. During his college days, he had been the president and secretary of the Navyubak Seva Sangh, president of Sri Sevak Mandal, founder and former secretary of Lal Baba Hindi Sahitya Parishad, to name a few. He was also actively involved with the services of St. John's Ambulance, Lilua. An active member of the above-mentioned organizations, he thought social services to be his duty and had selflessly devoted his time and energy to run social welfare projects like a free night school, a library, arrangement of indoor and outdoor game facilities for the youth of the Belur and Bali area. In 1962, he was one of the key motivators to mobilize funds for the Prime Minister's Relief Fund during the Indo-China War. Back in 1967, he was active in Hazaribagh, Bihar, under the leadership of late Sri Jai Prakash Narayan. And in 1969, on the occasion of the birth centenary of Mahatma Gandhi, he had written a book titled Yug Purush, 100 Years of Mahatma Gandhi, which was launched by the then Defence Minister, late Sri Jagjeevan Ram, at the Sri Shikshatan Hall, Kolkata. Another book, India, On the Way to Socialism, authored by Sri Tikmani in 1970, had received wide applause from our ex-Prime Minister, late Srimati Indira Gandhi, and ex-President, late Sri V.V. Giri. His talent had also plumed in the industrial and business sector, and he had been the founder and General Secretary of the Bajrang Bali Market Association, Lilua, which he headed from 1972 to 1993. All his life, he had been out and out a social worker. always thinking about the betterment of North Howrah region, which was his Karmasthali. Owing to his keen interest and dedicated service in the field of education, he found an eminent place in the trustee board of Sohanlal Deoralia Balika Vidyalaya and acted as the president of the Belur Janta School. It was his ardent efforts that had played the key role in initiating the then chairman of the Bali municipality, Sri K.C. Hajra, in naming the Duffer Street in Lelua to Agrashen Street. He was also the convener, founder, and former General Secretary and President of the Howrah Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Another feather was added to his hat when he became a member of the Merchant Chamber of Commerce, Kolkata. In 1996, he became the president of Srima Ambulance and the secretary of the St. John's Ambulance, Lelua. After accomplishing all these, he realized the crying crisis of North Howrah, which was the lack of women's education. There were no good schools that could fulfill this crisis. World-class education is to be given to the girls of North Howrah region. He ventilated this thought to his father in 1984 and, as a founder member and general secretary, he formed Agrashen Seva Samiti with the prominent Marwari community of the society in his own home. He motivated the trustee members of this Seva Samiti to launch an English medium school to impart women education, which became the prime objective of his life. His father was happy and stood by his son in collecting funds to bring up a school for girls. Agrashen Balika Siksha Sadan was established within 2 years of the foundation laying ceremony, which was held on 25th March 1994 by the then Governor of West Bengal, His Excellency Sri K.V. Raghunatha Reddy. Thus started the glorious journey of Agrashen Balika Siksha Sadan, Lelua, Howrah. The school opened its door for the students on 3rd June 1996 with 525 girl students and 25 lady teachers, utilizing the funds collected from the eminent personalities of the society who wholeheartedly supported Sri Tikmani's noble vision. The school started progressing by leaps and bounds since the day of its inception and has now become a grand banyan tree with almost 5,000 girl students. Let Sri B.D. Tikmani, being a visionary in the field of upliftment of education, had motivated, led Sri S.S. Kejriwal in establishing the M.C. Kejriwal Vidyapit, of which he was the founder secretary. Later, M.C. Kejriwal Engineering College was also started. He had played a pivotal role in the setting up of Sri Agrashen College. Agrashen Boys School materialized in 2012. Let Sri B.D. Tikmani ji became the chairman of both the schools. After taking the responsibility of both the schools, he decided to nurture the institutions in such a way so that it became a center for holistic education, so that They really have become trendsetters for the changing society. He succeeded enormously. The students appeared in the ICSE and ISC examinations and emerged successful with flying colors. They brought name and fame to the institution. He served till his last breath, thinking about women's education in North Howrah. It is publicly and widely acknowledged that such an illustrious and philanthropic person like Let Shri B.D. Tikmani never looked into monetary gain but dedicated his life in imparting world-class education. With the passage of time, he always searched for an opportunity to serve and upgrade the society by noble means. Ultimately, he observed that ABSs and ABS will solve out the most important crisis of education existing in Howrah. That is, there must be a scope of world-class level of education available to the girls and boys of North Howrah. He was closely associated with eminent social worker Sri Pushkar Lal Ji Kedia in his prestigious Agrasen Dham project. Where it was planned to open Maharaja Agrasen Women's University, Mata Lakshmi and Maharaja Agrasen Temple, units for providing medical facility, old age home and other socially beneficial projects over a plot of 300 bighas. Shri Tikmani remained the trustee of all the units of Agrasen Dham till he breathed his last. Words are not enough to describe his frame of mind towards the upliftment of the society. He dedicated his life for imparting and spreading quality education, and in this process, he had come in touch with eminent personalities like the ex-governor of West Bengal, His Excellency Sri Raghunatha Reddy, who had laid the foundation stone of the school, ex-governor His Excellency Sri Biren J. Shah, His Excellency Sri Keshrinath Tripathi, His Excellency Sri Jagdeep Dhankar, Mr. Francis Fradham, Mr. G. Emmanuel, to name a few. Today, both ABSs and ABS have emerged as lighthouse of quality education in this industrial suburb of Kolkata, which offer best education with envious result of more than 99% to all India firsts in yoga, drawing and painting competitions arranged by the Government of India and CISCE. From producing Rajya Puraskar Guides, SCC and Golden Arrow Bulbuls to taking part in the Republic Day Parade at Rajpath, Delhi. People come and people go, but their deeds are often enough to keep them alive. Shri B.D. Tikmani ji will always remain in our hearts forever, though we may never see him again riding the lift in his signature whites. May his departed soul rest in eternal peace. Astoma Satgamaya Tamsoma ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय शांति शांति शांति।